So question number 6, a belief that majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is which out of these? Power sharing, central government, majoritarianism, community government.
Sir, C part.
Sarah, what is your answer for this one?
C part.
C part is the correct answer. Majoritarianism. We found this type of government in Sri Lanka. है ना? श्रीलंका में जो सिडलीज गवर्नमेंट थी वो इसी प्रकार की गवर्नमेंट थी, इसी प्रकार की सरकार थी. Let us go to the 7th question now. So this question is, in dealing with power sharing, which of the following statement is not correct about democracy? People are the source of all political power. In democracy, people rule themselves through institutions of self-governance. C part, in democracy, due respect is given to diverse groups and views that exist in a society. D part, in democracy, if the power to decide is dispersed, it is not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them. Which is not the correct
I think
statement.
B part.
Sir, I guess D.
No sir, हाँ D होगा. सर B और D में से कोई होगा. I'm confused.
हाँ. So what is your final answer then?
Sir, I'm not sure.
D part is the correct answer for this. This is not the correct statement about democracy. Okay, D part. So the answer for 7th question is D part.
Sir, D part में given है कि it is not possible, but real life में भी तो ऐसा नहीं होता.
मतलब
सर रियल लाइफ में डेमोक्रेसी के क्विक डिसीजंस लेना पॉसिबल नहीं होता.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. क्विक डिसीजंस लिए जा सकते हैं. Even though
Okay, sir.
in democracy it is well known that you have to have consultations, but if you have to take quick decision, those decisions can be taken. Like if you remember, in our country, Prime Minister decided to stop the usage of old currency notes. 500 and 1000 rupee notes were discontinued. It was a quick decision which was taken, and it was enforced also. ओके, किसी को पता था ये डिसीजन होने वाला है? कुछ डिस्कशन हो रहा था, पार्लियामेंट में पूछा, नहीं पूछा, सीधा ले लिया डिसीजन. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं लिया जा सकता. इट कैन बी टेकन. ओके, अगर ड्यू प्रोसेस फॉलो किया जा रहा है तो डिसीजन लिया जा सकता है फास्ट, बट इट इज ऑलवेज एडवाइजेबल टू डिस्कस एंड देन टेक द डिसीजंस. ओके, यस, दिस वन. In dash, an act was passed to recognize Sinhalese as the only official language, thus disregarding Tamil. The governments followed preferential policies that favored Sinhalese applicants for university positions and government jobs. Yes. What is the correct answer for this one?
So I don't know this one.
Sir, I don't know.
Yes.
Maybe A part.
I couldn't hear you.
Sir, I think A part.
You're saying A part?
Yeah.
A part is the correct answer. Okay, it was taken in 1956, this decision. And this was the policy which was actually opposed by Tamils. Next question. Different arguments are usually put forth in favor of and against power sharing. Identify those which are in favor of power sharing and select the answer using codes given below. Power sharing reduces conflict among different communities, decreases the possibility of arbitrariness, delays decision making process, accommodates diversities, increases instability and divisiveness, promotes people's participation in government, undermines the unity of the country. So choose which one is correct.
Sir, option A.
Sarah has said option A. What about others?
Sir, option A.
Option A is the correct answer. So ये कह रहे हैं consider the following two statements on power sharing and select the answer using the codes given below. Okay, power sharing is good for democracy. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Which of the statements are true and false? So select.
Sir, B option.
Everybody has to respond. Kanav has responded already.
Yes, sir, B.
Yes, B is the correct answer for this one.
Yes, sir, B.
Yeah, B is the correct answer. B part is the correct answer.